So it's, I can see, it's 6:15. I'm getting ready to go. Cars down there in my garage. Made everything ready yesterday. It's early in the morning. Just came back from Denmark 2 days ago and need to go relax a little bit. And this is one of the few days in the year that the Nürburgring Ring GP track is open. So I'm gonna go there today, but the conditions are not so good. It's rainy, so yeah, that's gonna be a challenge for sure. That's the first time I take the McLaren on the track. So anyway, I have charged the GoPro, and we will see if we can put it up somewhere in the car, and I will make some more videos on track. Bye. So inside the car, on my way. Just fucking raining, you know, that's a little bit shit, but music is playing. I just left my house, and yeah, that's how it looks outside. So gotta be careful today. Hopefully we'll be better. Shut up, this girl. Hopefully we'll be better at the GP track. It's about 1.5 hours to 2 hours away from here. So yeah, I will see if I can make the GoPro work and make some more videos later. Okay, so I'm near to Nürburgring Ring, and there is like a billion cars. So stupid me, I didn't know that today is what they call Car Friday. Yes, Car Friday. This apparently kind of the beginning of the season or something like this. Every guy with a car who thinks he is Anton Senna or Michael Schumacher is coming to the Nordschleife today. I bet you it's gonna be closed. 90% of today it's gonna be closed for accidents because it's wet outside, and yeah, it's cold outside, and this is gonna be interesting. I'm hoping that the GP track where I am gonna drive doesn't have so many people, at least not so many Michael Schumachers and Anton Sennas and Jason Buttons as you sometimes see on the Nordschleife. But we will see. Yeah, I'll make some more video later. And I have arrived. So here we are, info center. I'm going to pick up my tickets. I'm gonna buy 25 laps instead of a year card, because the year card is now 2,000 euros or 1,900, and I think 25 laps is about 550. And you know, not laps but sessions, and one session is 15 minutes, so 4 sessions is an hour of driving, and I think I can't even use all of those 25 laps today. So for today and maybe one other time this year here at the GP track, 25 laps should be enough. I can tell you already that every guy who has a car in Germany who likes driving is here today. I mean, this is crazy. And people want to go fast. I came from down here 8:30. The track is not open. Half an hour until it opens at 9 o'clock. Even when I came near here, I saw 1 or 2 accidents. I don't even know how people they get in accidents, but they do. So I mean, it's fucking crazy. But that's how it is. So we will see later in the day. This is the last video with the phone. I will change to the GoPro. So as you know, the audio will suck, and yeah, nothing we can do about that. So some more videos later. Stay tuned. So in my car, got the tickets, ready to drive the first session of the day. Got the GoPro mounted, and yeah, we will see how it is. So My first lap ever GP track in the McLaren 650S. It's really wet and I don't know the car, so I'm gonna take it slow. But my initial first thoughts are, holy fuck, it understeers. I mean, you turn in and you can just feel the front washing away. That was not so in the Porsche. But okay, maybe I have the wrong tire pressure and maybe I need to get the tires a little more hot and stuff like that. Get away from all of these cars because they are crazy. It's raining and it's the first day of the season, so it's a little bit. Scared that when I go fast, someone follow me. Then when I brake, I have an air brake also. That means that I can brake a lot more than they can. And then when they are going on the inside, when they can't brake, they're gonna slide right into me as I'm turning. That is one of my concerns. Fuck, this car is fast. It's got more. Sliding front end, one wheel locked up there. That was interesting. Coming into the braking, yeah, it's just sliding now front end. Tons of boom. This car can go. Man, oh man, oh man. I mean, fuck me. But the front doesn't give me real confidence. I mean, it's just sliding. Sliding. Yeah, sliding. Trying to trail brake it, that means braking into the corner to get some more front end grip. feel the electronics coming in and correcting when I push too much like that. So in sport you got some protection against stupidity, but you shouldn't rely on it. Let me say it like that. It's not sharp. You can get it loose on sport for sure, and get into trouble for sure. I wish it would stop raining. Oh, too fast. Front wheels locking up. So funny, I never had that in the Porsche, ever, that my front wheels would lock up, ever. Okay, I know it's rain, but still, it's kind of like there's not enough downforce on the front. Maybe I got the wrong tire pressure again. Front wheels. Just not gripping. I mean, look, it's not ideal. Maybe this is a dry track kind of car. Okay, we're also running Pirelli P0s. Red flag, meaning someone has an accident. Oh, the session is already finished. That wasn't so many laps. I think someone had an accident. Oh, what? Finished already? One lap? One session? Fuck me. Oh, you can't get out. Anyways, apparently that was one session already. Fuck me, that was fast. Only 3 or 4 laps. What the fuck is wrong with that? Maybe because we don't drive so fast. Yeah, okay. Anyways, speaking too much, I guess. on video later for you guys when hopefully it's more dry and I know the car a little bit better. So it's a couple of days later since I was on the Nordschleife. I'm sorry that the videos kind of end like this. I only got one session with the GoPro. The rest of the day it was also just piss pouring down, and the only time where it actually dried up and we could do some driving, I ran out of gas and had to go put on gas. 10 minutes later the track was wet again. There was raining so much, so it was I focused more on driving my car than I did on taking care of making videos and stuff, cause it was kind of sketchy. Piss pouring down. I think it was 3 degrees outside. I'm running Pirelli P0 tires. That's not a winter tire. They should be in a different climate than that. And I think the initial feeling I have for the car and how I see it now after being on track with it, I can't really trust those things because so many things wasn't right, running the wrong tires in too cold weather, a lot of rain, and the condition was not right. So I won't say whether I find the car better or not than the Porsche. Well, I do. So it's fucking fast, but I mean, I will wait to really go into detail what I think about the car on track until next time. So sorry guys, but there will be more videos for sure. So see you.